Hi my friend, nice to see you again. This is colorful from ZLCONN HDD Machine. Today, we will introduce our 35-ton great HDD machine. And here is the machine. This one.
Okay, so this is our 35-ton HDD machine. Let me take a look for you. Okay, this is the front face of the HDD machine, and here is the cabin. For the cabin, we have three options. The first option is closed cabin. The second is the open cabin, and the third one is closed rotatory cabin. This machine is for Philippines. Okay, and this part is the white straw part. You can see here the fixture clamp, the rotator clamp to fix the rods and discharge the rods. For this machine, we use the semi-automatic rod loader. The arm and the clamp will fix the rod and feed the rod. And this is the rack at the pylon part of our HDD machine. Okay, for this 35-ton HDD machine, we use big 8-ton piston pump for the pull and pulling. And we also have the preserved position for enforcement. For the rotation, we have four motors here for rotation. So it will have big torque. For the rack pylon and the boom system, you can see the thickness of the boom. It's almost 25 millimeters, but other brand only 18 millimeters. And here you can see a surface is very flat. Okay, and this is the back side of our HDD machine. For the mud pump, we use the same brand with Bromio, China Bromio. And you can see in the back side we use a big net, so it will have very good ventilation. Let me take a look at this part. Okay. For the 35-ton HDD machine, we use the wire controlled remote. Here it is. Okay. And this is another side of our HDD with steel track with rubber pad. Now let me take a look at. Here is the inside of the. We use the coming through engine with pump. Look at the inside. This is a filter. And there's another filter over there. Okay, so this is our 35-ton HDD machine. I believe you will love it.
Hi my friend, so this is our 35-ton HDD machine. Isn't it lovely? If you want to know more information, welcome to contact us. So thank you and see you next time.